Welcome to our video on facilitation skills development. Today, we'll explore how to lead groups effectively. Facilitators play crucial roles in training settings. They guide discussions and enhance learning. However, advanced techniques are essential for impactful facilitation. Understanding group dynamics is the first step. Group dynamics refers to interactions among participants. Learning to analyze these dynamics improves facilitation. Next, we'll discuss advanced facilitation techniques. Encourage participation to ensure all voices are heard. Use open-ended questions to foster deeper discussions. Creating a safe space is vital. Ensure participants feel comfortable sharing ideas. Use icebreakers to build rapport and trust. Handling challenging situations is another key skill. Sometimes, conflicts may arise in discussions. Stay calm and neutral to mediate effectively. Active listening is crucial in any scenario. Reflect back what participants say. This helps clarify and validate their thoughts. Let's look at an example. Imagine leading a workshop on innovation. You notice a few participants dominate the conversation. As a facilitator, invite quieter members to share. Say, "I'd love to hear your thoughts on this." This encourages balanced participation. It also empowers everyone to contribute their ideas. In summary, effective facilitation hinges on skills and strategies. Mastering group dynamics and advanced techniques is vital. Remember, creating a supportive environment enhances collaboration. Handling challenges with grace leads to productive discussions. In the next video, we will discuss about fundamentals of training needs assessment. Stay connected with us. Thank you.